Hi, I've been hearing a lot about dividend yield funds lately. Can you help me understand what they are?
Of course, dividend yield funds aim to generate potential income for investors by focusing on dividend-yielding stocks. They may provide the potential for income along with long-term capital appreciation.
Got it. Would this be a good option if I'm looking for some cash flow from my investments?
Dividend yield funds may offer dividend payouts, but since they are equity-oriented, their returns depend on market movements. Dividend distribution and amounts can vary, so it's important to consider your financial goals and risk tolerance before investing.
That makes sense. I'll definitely do more research.
That's a great approach. Understanding different investment options can help in making informed decisions. Let me know if you have more questions.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.